Are now leaving for Goa. Hello. To show us all what exactly. Bye. Bye. पेट साफ किया अंदर जाके. Yo ho ho, Aza. He's doing the needful. Look at this guy. JLo is busy posing, and so is our couple. Are. Chai. I woke up and I puked because me. What is this?
Supari.
Oh.
I don't know
Surmai?
the name. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. It's 12:30 a.m. in the night.
1:30.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's 1:30 a.m. and we are now leaving for Goa. But before going, we need to say our prayers. So we'll say a short prayer and then leave. Of course, Brandon will be joining us soon.
He's on the way.
He's on the way. So Bagu, आजचा vlog कसा जातो? Look at it. It's 1:30 a.m. We are going towards our car. We'll keep all our things. And here comes in Brandon and Fiona.
Yo.
Yo ho ho! Ajao. How sweet of you to drop him.
Yeah, he's always up here.
Put oil
Always
first on
drop
your leg. He's got blisters.
अरे वो because of that ये shoes what he was wearing.
And he didn't even take the time to do that.
अरे ऑयलिंग नहीं किया क्या? नया वाला था क्या?
Yeah, should be.
ये रिकॉर्ड करें.
Yeah, Magan.
अरे it's okay bro. Remember these are all raw footage. तो हर जगह होता ही है. हर every house has this. Cross.
8 minutes पकड़ना. Hold this one.
We also when the coming time we stopped there. We prayed
Yeah, nice.
and then we.
And now we also went there.
Yeah.
But even in this, he just changed his clothes and he came. I said put oil on your feet. The blister was ganda as.
Coming from that side also.
So guys, it's 4 a.m. and we don't know where we have reached. We have crossed Lonavala, Pune, I suppose. It's 4 a.m. and we have stopped in for a pee break. So we're gonna pee and then continue the drive. Kya? You're washing the bike? Oh God. Even I'll join in. Wait. How was it?
Wow.
JLo's making sure that the windscreen is clean. He's doing the needful. Look at this guy.
The cleaner for us.
Yes. But most knowledgeable person with regards to the route. But maja aa raha hai. I'm enjoying this trip. Good talks we are having.
Yes.
We can't tell you what we are talking about, but we are having good talks. Baba's cleaning. We all three are missing our wives.
Yes.
Vlog में बोलना पड़ता है.
Delhi.
हाँ?
Minus to in Delhi.
Mine is sleeping in wherever I stay. So is Chala, done. Good to go. So we have stopped one more place. ये जगह का नाम क्या है?
No.
Mahad.
Hard.
So he just stopped in Mahad for some tea and he's making some fresh chai. We need that badly. They will be dozed off to sleep. But then I needed it because there's a lot of fog out here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you the outside. So we have parked our car there. This is how it is. So we stopped at a shop here. Chai बना रहे हो ना अभी?
वो स्पेशल बना रहे
Oh, good. Lovely.
हैं चाय खाने के लिए.
देखते क्या आ रहा है क्या कुछ दिखा कैसे देख आ रहे
अंडा ausgehauen.
You want under what? Look who I found, the cutie. Come. Hey baby, come. Hi, can I touch you? Hi, yes I can. How are you, cutie? Hello. Our chai is ready.
Our tea is ready. हिंदी में नहीं बोलने का.
चाह रेडी आहे. हे घ्या.
रेडी नाही बोलायचं आहे.
तयार.
मराठीमध्ये
मराठीमध्ये काय तयार?
आमची चाय तयार आहे. चलो अभी निकल, अभी हट गया से.
कितना घंटे का जर्नी किया हम लोग ने अभी तक? After 9 hours, we are now having breakfast. I slept. JLo took over, and now I woke up and I puked because मेरे को जमता नहीं है पीछे.
I could not take up that video.
Yeah, that video we couldn't take because it happened all suddenly. And now we are just stopped at this place. We'll have some breakfast.
It's a really nice place, guys. If you really want to, if you are coming by road, and if you come from the N60 166, this is one of the best places to
I'll
have
show you the name of the place.
Breakfast. It's a really nice joint.
This is the name of the place. Brandon, have you been here before?
No, I've been there twice.
Twice. Let's go. Let's go.
It's a nice place out here.
I had a good breakfast. Forgot to show you all only because we were too hungry. We had burji pav, vada pav, then misal pav, poha. Poha actually nobody wanted to have, but I don't know why we ordered. But it was good. फिर पेट साफ किया अंदर जाके. अभी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Now we'll drive continuously for 3 hours and now directly Goa. Since we are on our way to Goa, I am in Kudal at the moment and my in-laws are here. Now since it's just a 10-minute detour, we are just taking it. So we'll go and surprise them. We'll just go say hi and then we'll leave for our journey. Don't want to waste time much. So I'm coming after, after coming after 1.5, almost 2 years to this place. And a lot of memories coming in. Check this out. This is proper Kudal Gaon. So Pooja also doesn't know that I'm coming here. So she will be surprised. She'll be happy that I visited them. And that's how it is, Revoy. You meet your in-laws, you surprise them. They also feel good. And of course, I'm taking my friends, so they also feel that, it is now taking it as apna ghar. It's good. No? JLo is sleeping.
He woke up.
He's still asleep. He's in his deep sleep. He doesn't know what is happening. Brandon is here. I've got a good company in Brandon.
Yes.
Getting to know him better. I'm sure our friendship will go great now.
Yes.
So in 5 minutes we'll reach
Yeah.
Mommy Daddy's house. Hey, no. I thought I'll just surprise you guys. That's my friend. That's John.
Hello, Andy. Oh shit. Oh, we got surprise.
Hey, this passport they'll go and leave that. अरे मस्त किया रे पूरा. Welcome, John.
पेपर ब्लॉक वी हैव डन बट
Hello, auntie.
अरे
Hello,
पूरा
Andy.
सैंड डाला है ना बिकॉज़ इट विल गो इनसाइड
Inside.
अच्छा दिखता है अभी बट नाउ इट्स कवर्ड विद सैंड
And
ओनली
the
कंप्लीट
daddy
हुआ
also will be here.
कम इसे
Come, Brandon.
Yeah, bro.
I'll show you. You were seeing the house the first time. Come. अरे एकदम lovely ना मस्त है ना ये अरे that's fine तो लाइट गया है क्या no that's fine that's cool it's cool
वो मंदिर है ना.
हां मंदिर है दिस तो पंखा चलेगा ना
we have this yeah मस्त बनाया है बट Mommy is showing us the terrace. Yeah. We're going to the terrace. मस्त है. ओ शेड डाला है ना, भूल गया मैं. नाइस. Oh, lovely.
कार दिखाने नहीं तो रीच
They have parked the car.
Backdrop over here, DJs over here.
Actually, yeah, actually,
No request.
no request. Balloons.
We don't need stands also.
Yeah, तो वही है.
We don't need stands also.
Any vegetables or here? Yeah, that's fine.
And no request. Rich.
हाँ,
DJ shot cannot be seen.
correct.
पूजा का पता है ना वीडियो पूरा ये
Ah,
because she didn't
she's not seen this, no? Yeah. We have put all this. Okay.
फुल पेवर ब्लॉक करती है.
But that's good. Sand जाएगा अभी तो अच्छा रहेगा.
सैंड तो जाना चाहिए ना उसके गैस में.
We came, we took a proper ride.
Hey, bah. Hey. Hello. Hey. Two of them. Cuties. Hey. Hi. Hey, come. Hey, are you coming to me? Hey, hi. Hey, Gubu, Bubu, hey, Bubu, hey, yeah. Hi. He allowed me to, he or she, I don't know. He allowed me to pet him. And of course, these two as well. Hey, kukuruku. Hey, kukuruku.
पपड़ी
What is this?
सुपारी
Oh,
ये है ना ट्री जिसका
कौन सा ये?
ये वो क्या है
Ah, yeah, yellow, yellow. Nice. These two are already enjoying the place, I guess.
We are talking some business. Please don't interfere.
Oh, business talks.
How will profit this place for auntie and not you?
Ah. Huh?
This is like a beach now with all those shells.
Yeah. Chalo, we leave, Baba.
Oh man, I'm thinking of talking about a razor or that new one. That is any flip. अरे वो मेरा favorite है भाई.
Hello, chalo, let's go.
मेरा favorite है all time.
Yeah, we take it. I'll drink.
ये होएगा उसको.
जान को
जान नहीं. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? वर्ड नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को. चलो आंटी.
चलो
Take care of yourself. God bless.
Yes, mummy, bye. मैं बोल रहा कि ऐसा ऊपर पीछे आई विल गो फ्रंट एंड बैक तो ये पूरा सैंड अंदर जाएगा.
वो मेरा डायलॉग था.
चलो बाय मम्मी. बाय. चलो बाय. 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 Hello. Are you smelling? What you smelling? You smelling? Hey cuties. Hey cuties. Hey cuties. You don't like, even you don't like dogs?
I love dogs. But everywhere I don't go. My dad give food. Every day 500 food is there. The boy chicken.
We are planning to take Shih Tzu.
हाँ इसको पुडल चाहिए पूजा को. Female. What you smelling, Ray? Oh, got a lot of things to remove.
First time I asked you, guys back. ये shoes रहने देना. Not gonna wear this. कितना shoes है भाई? Smallest bag in my life. कितना shoes है?
बहुत है shoes.
तो तेरा wedding वेट का wedding के लिए
In Goa and see what are we having. Which fish is this?
I don't know
Surmai?
the name. No.
नहीं क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Look at that, amazing, looks so good.
तो vlog चालू कर रहा था
Ah,
You
nice.
just give normal food please
Yes.
What is this
What's in this? Mango curry. Oh, lovely. Nice.
just vomit later
And they've added in kingfish pickle type.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mole they say in Goa.
mole. Okay. First time I'm seeing all this. So we just reached the venue and JLo is busy posing and so is our couple. They're having their photo shoot. Beautiful view.
thanks to us
Look at that. We are at the Dallas Beach Resort. Photo? Alright. So JLo has taken off his new gadget to show us all. What exactly is it? Can you please tell us?
The Insta 360
Oh,
which enables you to see the view of the front and the back,
wow.
images and videos.
Oh, cool.
So trying to do some R&D as well. It's a new gadget that we.
It's a new gadget. We're going to experiment it tonight.
So I have
Of course, we have John Lopez and we have Brandon
hello.
for tonight. We're figuring out what to do, but in case you want this, I shall put up the link for the same. So we just got done emceeing a wedding and DJing a wedding. Where is he going?
Wow. Dude,
Crazy,
it
crazy,
was
yes.
Fucking insane.
Amazing,
Wow.
amazing wedding.
Amazing wedding.
Yes, and we had dinner there. By the way, we had amazing desserts as well. What do you call that? Go and dessert?
We had bibik.
Bibik,
Bibik.
bibik. Yeah, and cupcakes, really tasty.
Cupcakes. So yesterday I wanted cupcake, which
We didn't get.
in Yvette's.
Wedding,
Please
yes,
tag her on this video.
yes,
And now, God was kind. We got our cupcakes.
yes. We had that.
And one I
But
brought
still-
for Baba also,
Yes.
our cousin.
Yes, and still, I don't know. I wanted to have something going, a cutlet pav. I was looking forward for beef, but not getting it. Maybe tomorrow I'll have it. So we've stopped in this cart, and we're gonna have this now. So this is the place.
You will eat with me. Cooler, huh?
They are fighting only because JLo wants Brandon to have something, but he is not ready to have. Blue Lagoon.
Green apple. Tapoy naka. Green apple, raspberry. Huh?
Hey, select fast, man.
Strawberry, raspberry, green apple. Go over. Green apple.
Green apple. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to Advocate Fiona
Wife. No, don't worry. इसमें number दिखता नहीं है. Don't worry. This is how it looks. You get even shawarmas here. Check out.
ये शर्मा नहीं है.
You get shawarma, but
ये
this is what you get.
yellow.
Time to.
ये इसका है.
₹2.
बाड़े का वो गाड़ी.
हाँ ऐसा ही होता है.
On phone pay.
What happened?
Jonah, how are you, Jonah? How are you, Jonah? We killed it in Goa, buddy. We killed it in Goa. It was a super fucking amazing wedding. See this Randy. He's sitting and talking to his 1-month-old wife.
Hello, hi. Hi, Jonah.
See who I'm talking to.
He's saying happy anniversary and Bhadwa is sitting on the phone only. Full day he's on that phone with that wife. Full day. She's saying, I heard that. Hey! No. 1 hour.
ये तू
What happened? What
हाँ,
is the
ये
purpose of
शुगर
this call?
शुगर रश हो गया इसको जॉन को.
Arey, he's on that call with his wife. He's on that call. And I'm like, chal na yaar, nikalte hai. Then he's like, are you feeling jealous? Huh?
Learn something, yes. Learn something.
नहीं ले. Lamb cutting.
अरे ये जूता भी निकाला पाने के लिए.
Putting juta on me baas.
Bro, I'm eating this, huh?
What a show, Donna.
Hey,
The king of Bollywood killed it. Bro. Haan, Bob. Thank you.
hey, keep it here. I want to take the video.
What are you eating? Come to Goa, come to Goa, come to Goa.
तो
Yeah,
इधर लक
we are having beef, chicken cocktail. We ate like a pot swing.
he's busy talking.
Still I'm eating.
John is talking on the phone, Brendan is talking on the phone, and I'm having this.
The old one which I had.
Look at this.
Rich took it, no?
Amazing, amazing.
How come you called today?
So guys, this is where we ended day 1 in Goa. From tomorrow, it's going to be exploration of Goa. J-Lo and Brandon know the places well, so they're going to tell me where to go. We're going to go to the market and everything, but it's going to be a fun vlog. So stay tuned for that. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण ट्रॅव्हलचा व्लॉग. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.